Now students, here comes the question answer of this poem. Thinking about the poem, what do you following phrases means to you? Discuss in class. Listen students, humid shadows. Here they refer to dark clouds. Listen, these are the terms used in the poem. You should have to describe them, why they are used and how they are used. So means humid shadows are used or refers to the clouds, dark clouds, black clouds that are laden with. Laden means full of. Laden. Laden means full of, laden with rain and all that is wet during the rainy season. So humid shadows are used for dark cloud which are full of rainy water. Clear? Starry spheres. Starry spheres here used for starry to the thick cluster of stars in the sky. To the thick cluster group of cluster cluster, to thick cluster of stars in the sky, starry spheres. What a bliss. Bliss here means it is an expression of happiness. I have told you while I explain it. So it is the expression of happiness which the poet experiences when the rain falls. ठीक है, when it rains. Clear? So it is what? It is an expression of happiness. What a bliss. Expression of happiness which the poet experiences when it rains. The a thousand dreamy fancies into busy being start. So what does it mean? The poet delves into or lost into the memories of past and find himself lost in the daydreaming or reveries. Clear? What? The poet just lost into the memories. Listening the sound of music, sound of rain, he lost into the memories of past and find himself lost in the dreams. Clear? A thousand recollections weave their air threads into woof. Here means here it means the multitude of memories means thousand recollections, multitude of memories that comes flashing by weave an intricate pattern is his mind. So means the memories which are coming again and again and in a great number are weaving or interweaving a unbreakable chain in his mind. Clear? Poet like to do when it rains? So listen student, this answer is in the first paragraph, first stanza, I am sorry. What? When it rains, the poet likes to lie tucked in his cozy bed in the cottage and listen to the soft pitter patter of the raindrops falling on the roof. तो क्या? He likes to lie down in his bed and pressed his hand into the tucked his head into the pillow and what, and listen to the soft musical rhythmical sound of the rain. Clear? Next, question 3. What is the single major memory that comes to the poet? Who are the darling dreamers he refers to? Listen, students, what is the single major memory? The single major memory that comes to the poet's mind is that of his mother, the image of his mother. The darling dreamers are the siblings of the poet. Siblings means bhai behan. So brother and sisters of the poet. Darling dreamers are. So listen students, his mother let the children sleep night that time. So it means poet also has some siblings. So darling dreamers are the siblings of the poet. He recalls how all of them were lovingly tucked into bed by the mother. Clear? So he was just remember the things while his mother used to tuck them all into the bed by also telling by also singing for them a lullaby. Fourth one, is the poet now a child? Is his mother still alive? No, students, you can remember that he is just what? Recollecting all these images. Now, the poet is not a child. He is the elder one, mature person, no longer a child. He is an adult now. His mother is not alive now, but her memories haunt the poet. Clear? She is not alive, only her memory haunts the poet and comes again and again to the poet. Question answer type third, second. There are three types of questions. When you were a young child, did your mother tuck you in as the poets? Listen, students, this answer you should have to give yourself. While you were a young child, did your mother tuck you in the bed? Clear? So you can write answer yes or no. Do you like the rain? What do you do when it rains steadily and heavily as the described in the poem? Listen, students. Steadily means slowly and heavily means very in continuously or very heavy rain. Clear? So here, do you like the rain? Just give the answer. If you like, yes, I like the rain, and no, then you can write no, I don't like the rain. And what do you often do? So what you do in if you like the rain, what you do if you don't like the rain, what you do at the time when the continuous rain comes or falls. Does everybody have a cozy bed to lie when it rains? Look around you and describe how different kinds of people and animal spend time, seek shelter, etc. during rain. Listen, students, this is some typical question, but not so typical that you can't answer. So these three questions are depends on you. You can write them according to your own way. Does everybody have a cozy bed? No, students. There are so many people who are homeless and animals also. Clear? So they when the rain comes, so what they should have to take shelters under the roof of the under the tree or under the shades of other people's house and some other. So you can write their answer taking the example of real life. Clear? Now the poem ends. We will start our next chapter, chapter 4, in next video. Okay, then till then, stay safe, stay home. Goodbye, students.